Look into my eyes, you will see.
I'm Sarah Steendam. I work for the IHS Alumni Relations Office. The IHS Alumni Relations Office is recently founded, so it's a very new incentive from IHS. But I think what it wants to say is that for IHS, alumni relations are very important. And this is also why I'm so happy that everybody's here. And I hope you will enjoy this evening. I made a small PowerPoint. I want to go through it very quickly, and then after we can just continue having IHS alumni relations. Okay? This is actually the program for tonight. So I will do the introduction a little bit, also on alumni work, and we have dinner and drinks. Then we'll have a visit from Mr. Irwan Hapsha. He's the chairman of the INA, the Chamber of Commerce from the Dutch companies here in Indonesia. Perhaps you know him, perhaps not. He will tell us something about why it's interesting for IHS. I will first do this. So Meliana, you studied at IHS. Which year did you study? Which did you graduate? And where do you work now?
Now I'm working for UNDP Indonesia. Working for one project on this intelligence. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, good evening everybody. Now it's just, maybe you tell me what your position and then what you're working.
Okay, I want to introduce my neighbor. His name, her name is Nika. She's working for the public work, especially for the urban settlement, human settlement. Now she lives in the Cirende, not far from the Jintung Lake.
Thank you. Nika. Nika. Yeah. Yes. Yes. For the rest of the proposal.
Yeah, she worked in the Ministry of Environment.
Environmental. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Good night, everybody. I want to introduce my neighbor. Her name is Miss Samshir Despriana. He also, by coincidentally, she also worked in the same ministry with me, but I've never met her before. She's worked for the Central Strategic Studies, and she was joining the IHS on UMC4 and UMC10 in 2003-2004. And she lived in Jalan Bangka in the southern part of Jakarta. Thank you.
I will introduce him. His name is Lutfi, with his wife and really handsome son, I have to say now. He's so cute, and it's quite a little distracting for me because I keep looking at him.
The front of Wenase Point building. The Dulen. You know.
I already add him to my Facebook, but I see him just right now. Morris working in Bapenas, and she graduated from IHS from UNDP.
Her name is Kiki. She works for Red Cross and for Friends.
Yeah. Thank you.
Red Cross. And she graduates at 2005.
2006. I just highlights 2008, which is like an annual report. You can find all the facts and figures about IHS today in this highlights. Okay. I think I told a lot about this also. As I told somebody before also, IHS is also improving the programs, of course. So now climate change is a big topic also in the new topics. Preparing bankable public-private partnerships, climate change, urban tools for climate change, and the other one is CBA, cost-benefit analysis for EU projects.
The association of IHS alumni, but I'm sure most of us never heard about it. So later on we will talk about it. All these short courses IHS have in the
You can also do Bahasa. I think I'm the only one who doesn't speak Bahasa.
sampai. Saya dari Ikatan Alumni dan Keluarga Nederlandnya. Dulu sebetulnya organisasinya mungkin sebagian sudah beberapa sudah sempat diundang, tapi karena jumlahnya lebih dari 24.000, jadi tidak mudah untuk mengundangnya. Yang kedua juga usianya, yang paling muda 22, yang paling tua 85 tahun, dan ya hobi ini berbeda. Jadi sebab itu saya mohon maaf, mungkin dari beberapa rekan-rekan yang ada di sini belum sempat ikut acaranya Ikanet, tapi kami punya website www.ikanet.org.
Perhaps we can also make revive the association and talk about this with your comrades on the table to see how we can do this, and then later on we can share our ideas. But first, I think we should have dinner. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner.
From the rain and snow, trying to forget but I won't let go. Looking at a crowded street, listening to my own heartbeat. So many people all around the world. Tell me, where do I find someone like you, girl? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what lovers haven't got a clue. Show me that wonders can't be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Lovers now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart. Take me to.
Selama di Belanda, selain sekolah di Rotterdam, terus meneruskan lagi di Amsterdam, menikah, kemudian anggota MPR dari tahun 2000 sampai 2004, generasi utusan golongan tahun 1922 oleh Bung Hatta, dan situ adalah mulainya nasionalisme Indonesia di luar Indonesia. Di dalamnya yang sangat terkenal waktu itu saya setuju sudah lama sekali ya, dan dia orang Rotterdam, jadi itu koliknya dari IAS, dan juga ada perwakilan dari Erasmus datang. Apa sih namanya formatnya? Sudah ada kali 30 menit. Pada saat itu
selain database, barangkali kita perbaiki semua komunikasi data dan lain-lain, kita bisa kita bisa punya satu tujuan, katakanlah membuat satu seminar atau satu acara kecil di 2010. Tahun depan barangkali dekat dengan Holland
yang ada di sini, saya masukkan ya, tambah izin bapak-bapak dan ibu-ibu atau merekomendasikan teman-temannya. Silakan diskusi panjang lebar.
Setahun atau 2 tahun. Ikanet itu sekitar agak lama ya Pak ya? 3 tahun. In 3 years, so it's changing.
Oh, the board changing. Yeah, you have. Thank you, Meliana, for this effort.
Thank
For
you
this-
also for helping us to
That's
organize
excellent.
again.
Thank you. I think it's great. I will just. Can you pass it on to the other volunteers?
A little token, because you've been so kind to helping us. We see each other, but without someone to encourage us to do something, we might not be here sitting together. So this is just a little something
Oh, thank you.
from all of us for you.
First, alumni from International University during the study applied project how to the city works that can apply in Indonesia.